Welcome back. Today we are packing, and in a few days we're leaving to go to Moab before we head back to New York for summer. So today just getting everything organized, packing some stuff like for my walls and clothes, and we're gonna wax the skis, get those all zipped up, and we'll be ready to move out to Monday. Welcome to Moab. Behind us is Delicate Arch, kind of hard to see back there somewhere, and we're just at one of the lookout points in Arches. And tomorrow we are going to Canyonlands and doing a boat tour and just gonna look around there, and that's gonna be super fun too. And then Friday, coming back to Arches and doing a 4x4 tour. Saturday we fly back to New York for the summer, and we're gonna do some dope stuff back there too.
Started seeing some of those. A lot of ducks, mallard ducks. As far as birds of prey, we do have black. It takes maybe hundreds of... River, going down right below us. Get a better view of that.
Whoa. I was gonna walk right off there. Gonna go take a swim.
It's better to be safe than sorry, right? So this is a great picture. There's the Colorado River right there. Choose to film out here because there's a lot of federal land that's less regulated than national parks. So like a lot of movies that take place around like the Grand Canyon,
Yeah.
or just kind of like in this sort of terrain, they're going to film out here just because it's easier to get permits for and not as restricted as like the Grand Canyon. Looks like we have a rock that fell on the road there. Look at that. I don't know how we're going to get past that. I think we're going to have to drive underneath it. Alright, here we go.
What? Yeah. It's crazy. So cool. We went to this place called Hidden Arch. It's this little slot canyon. Very cool, even though it's super hot out today. Alright, that's it from Moab. Flying out tomorrow morning, going back to New York. See ya.